Hello everybody and welcome back to Junkyard Truck. Not too sure what the plan is today, but we may be going around and doing a few jobs. Ooh, let's also drop that. Forget, this here, I don't think that went on this. So we could throw that on right there. Combine our money. We cannot combine the money. Okay. Put that away. We just had a nice drink, that's why that's there. Let's go ahead and look at some of the missions we have today. And breaker switch, flip the, yeah, let's do that. We have a truck. Friends asking to move. Let's go ahead and do the, let's go move some furniture. Okay, we're gonna have a decent drive ahead of us. Oh! Oops. Then over the bridge. Ooh. Yeah, we can leave that scrap behind. We don't really need it right now. It's not the goal for it today. Today we're gonna help our buddy move. Ooh, we need some gas. We should probably stop on over here and grab some. That is on this side. Yep. Okay, let's fill up the tank. Okay, I need to angle this at a better way next time so I can see what the price is. We'll just go on and fill her up. Close that on up. How's the price looking? $28, that's not bad. There you go. Also, I'll take a ticket. Man, things are blurry. What'd I get? Nothing. Why are things so blurry? Now if I do this. Ah, I can make out the writing now. Another $10. Okay, gotta love it. There's definitely some heat going off that, but I believe our colone's doing a good job. Just keep on going. Ooh, don't fall down there. Wait, didn't we just help do this one? I thought we just did this one. Maybe it bugged. I don't know. We could try again. Hello?
Hey, there you are. Thanks for doing that.
Oh,
I got tired of being a free storage service. You know, here's some
yeah.
cash for that.
Thanks. Did we just come here to pick up money? Is that all we came here for? Yep. Okay. Guess we're gonna be doing the next one now. Gotta make money somehow. Let's actually stop by and look at the tires. See what the tires are gonna cost us. Tires are definitely something I want to get. New setup. Although I don't think we're gonna have the money for it, I'm gonna park the truck like right here. I'm also gonna speak to you. You don't want to speak to me? Okay, I'm not gonna speak to you. Yeah, these tires are gonna be way too costly. It would cost us $2,000 just to get a set of the best tires on there. Okay. Hello? You don't want to talk to us? Do I have to bribe you? No? No money? Okay. Hello? Oh, your neck's broken, sir. Okay, so you don't want to talk to us. This is the tobacco and moonshine stuff there. Not too sure why he wants us to talk to him. I mean, he doesn't really want to talk to us. Why would we want to talk to him? Huh. Maybe this won't be broken this time. Let's try a little bit of gambling. So, okay, so I have... You call. You call. Call. I forget what we're playing. Check. I check. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I've got a pair. Tens. Got a pair of tens, queen high. But everyone's got the queen high. Let's just check and see where this goes. If I can get another 10. Okay, you'd also check. Gonna check as well. What are you guys thinking? No one's got nothing. I guess I'll check as well. We all gonna show our cards now? Oh, you had an ace. No, that's a 2. You had a pair, I had a pair. I don't know what just happened. How much do I have there? Well, I got a pair of 8s. If I can get one on the table, then I should be good. I'm gonna call. Ooh, what do you have? Fold. I'm gonna call. If I can get an 8, I think I'll win this. This is not looking good. Okay, I'm folding. Pair of sevens. Ray 16, I'll call that. Hopefully next time I can figure out what he wants. It's a little annoying that it's a little bugged right now. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna check. Tell me that you're gonna check, man. Please check. It's a 2. One of these guys have one of these guys are gonna win 100%. Nothing. We're not doing this anymore. Can I leave? And we're down some money. You want to talk to us yet? No? Okay. Some junk and ooh, a 12-pack. Throw that on in there. Guess we should probably do something today. Do I have to get my vehicle inspected? Let's quickly see if I have to get my truck inspected. This truck like not legal to drive or something right now?
All right.
Okay. What are you gonna do?
Looks like you... Looks good to me. Not sure why you came in.
Oh, do you just tell me if something's broken? Maybe we'll be able to use these at some point.
For your safekeeping.
Inspection results, no engine problems found. Okay, well I guess that's good enough. Okay, well we gambled a little. We lost $80, I think? 80 to close to $100. Tried to do something else. A little bit bugged. I'll have to look into trying to fix that. Can't quite buy new tires for this truck just yet. Hopefully at some point we'll be able to. I may work and get us some money. It may work and get us some money while in between videos here. Don't go over the edge. You know, you can make it. Okay. Let's actually turn 4-wheel drive off. I say that as I'm going downhill. That will hopefully save us some fuel. Ooh, I think that's a flashlight. I don't think that's the headlights. Okay, well I know that we did not do too much this video, but I didn't have too much time to prepare for it. I am slightly falling back on videos. I normally like to be a few days ahead. That is not the case today. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Again, sorry for not doing too much today. Today was a little more planned on doing a few jobs, but the job I planned on doing wasn't quite working. Maybe it will be fixed by next time. What is that? Is that a junk or something down there? I don't know. We could have visited the tower this time, but did not quite think of that at the time. This car... You need some oil? Okay, well if you did enjoy this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to be seeing you all next time. Bye-bye.